Alrighty guys, so here we go. We got some what's the word? High caliber chainsaws we got here. So I was at Ollie's and I may have bought something really smart. Good investment. So here we go. There you go, guys. The old Brookstone mini electric chainsaw. This thing's cool. It comes with a chain, a bar, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a charger and a battery. It's got 400 watts of power and I don't even know what that means. Something, whatever. But comes in a nice little carry box, as you all can tell. This thing's a beast. But here's the saw. She's a beast, I promise. Yeah, whole whopping, 3 inches of cut surface. And it does not have a safety chain, so that's cool. Obviously it comes with a battery. It does not take bar oil. That's the best part. That way, less maintenance. Charger. Your little, adjust the chain, which it probably needs adjusting. That is what it is. So, this is what she looks like. This old beast of a saw here. Here you go. Yeah, she's a mint. So, we got some, I got some cherry here. Some maple. I think this is a piece of oak. Pretty sure it is. So we're gonna do some hard test with the this little bag girl. So we're gonna start with this. Hopefully I don't draw the shit out of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, she loves it, I swear. She loves being dragged on, I promise. She's a minty saw for 20 bucks. By the way, this is a full battery. I just charged it. So as you can tell, it does not like cherry, it does not like maple. So it's really gonna like this oak. I promise. All right, we'll move on. Cameraman, bring the camera with us. Oh, I told you she's a peach, boys. So we're gonna go ahead and do some trimming this on these deer pines real quick. All right, maybe it likes pines. We'll go back here a little bit farther. All right, so I don't think there's really an option to do a back cut here. Oh, maybe there is. All right, nope. All right, the battery's already dead. So, yeah, she's a peach. But, in case you guys wanted a amazing prune saw that does not like its life or last very long, 20 bucks. All you gotta do is go to Ollie's and buy this old girl. I promise you. She'll make you the money. Or lose you a lot of money, because I don't even know where you get a bar for this, or a chain, or a battery that lasts more than 5 minutes. Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. This whole masterpiece that Ollie's has, obviously. But yeah, if you guys like the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and eventually we'll start doing milling videos for you too. So I'll talk to y'all later.